Blocking someone on Slack can help you manage your communication and maintain a positive workspace. Follow these steps to block a user on Slack. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your desktop or mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your workspace where the user you want to block is present. Step 2. Find the user. Navigate to the direct messages or search for the user you wish to block. You can do this by typing their name in the search bar or scrolling through your direct message list. Step 3. Access user profile. Click on the user's name to open their profile. This will give you access to their contact information and options for interaction. Step 4. Block the user. In the user profile, look for the option to block the user. This may be labeled as block or mute depending on the version of Slack you are using. Click on this option to initiate the blocking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to block the user. Confirm your choice to complete the action. Once blocked, you will no longer receive messages or notifications from that user. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on Slack and create a more comfortable communication environment.